Does the French Martini deserve the bad rap it gets? I don't think so. It was one of the first cocktails I ever tried, and it's fruity and fun, so what's not to love? We're gonna go 40 ml of vodka, 20 ml of the all-important Chambord, 45 ml of pineapple juice, and then my secret ingredient, which is some pineapple shrub. For more on this, you can check the video out that's up in the corner there. You really want to put some elbow grease into that one to make sure that you get the trademark fluffy head from the pineapple. Then grab your glass out of the fridge or the freezer, double strain. Now you can absolutely garnish this with some fresh raspberries or do a little bit of art with some raspberry syrup. I'm just gonna let the foaminess do the talking. Why would you want to say no? The French Martini. So now you know. For more on this frivolous disco drink and the controversy around it, I did make a video for it in partnership with A+ Hospitality Insights. That'll be in the link in my bio when it's live. Cheers.